Radioactive zombies.
I'm not dealing with this shit. I'm going glitter slide.
Jerry!
Glitters.
I like how their heads go.
Listen. Let me just say it. Maybe.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Oh my god, shut up! I sounded like you for a second there, Gamzee.
Nick?
God.
Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out.
Oh, the closet.
Nick, please.
There's one behind you.
Oh
Turn
God.
around, you hooker! Juliet!
See, there's Snake.
Oh, of course! Of course he has the sports guy jacket.
I'm okay.
So why didn't they just cut off his hand? Was one of his hobbies masturbation?
Why'd you say that?
I swear I just read that.
You okay, Juliet?
I have to review that.
Are you?
I love the
Legs.
Legs.
Flashbacks.
Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
I kind of want to go back just to see.
It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh?
I think he knows her, like, you know, whole cosplay issue, because he's, like, not speaking about the blue
I'm
hair.
screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet.
Just cut off his arm right now.
Your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
She kind of reminds me of Pocky.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort
I'm
of,
crying.
you know.
Her dad can cry, but she can't.
Her dad can cry like psychotic
love-
tears just because she's good at making plans. She can't even cry because everyone around her is dying.
I was like, what?
No.
That was a
There's something we
shitty
can
end.
try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.
So messed up girlfriend.
I'm just not gonna say shit.
So
I wasn't looking.
Aiden.
God damn it!
She basically cut off her own boyfriend's head.
Completely awesome.
Why does everyone always cut off their boyfriend's head?
I don't know.
Her,
Oops, zombie
Gamzee.
hunter.
Oh my god, there's a clown. I can see a clown.
There.
Well, it looks like a clown. It's that one, yeah.
I came, what? I came, I saw, I kicked ass.
I don't think I want to know right now. Oh, that was fun. What'd you do?
Nothing.
You did everything. What is that noise?
Her face.
Oh. Juliet? What? Am I
How does he
okay?
survive?
Right? You kind of need a heart and lungs to live.
I feel
Exactly.
okay.
Oh, I think it's because he's half dead.
Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What?
Unless
no.
it's all in his tie.
I had to.
Oh, God! Oh, fuck! Ah, Where's my fucking body? Oh, fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
So you cut off his head.
How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
Formed a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head.
Simple, she's a Capricorn.
God damn it.
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of, what?
Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Come
and kill us
now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What?
I think she stands up. I love how she like just attached them.
Don't hate me!
Don't hate me!
Oh my god, I love this song.
What the fuck is going on here? Hey, it's making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Red Rosie, what?
What?
Hold on!
Isn't that
We're
the
not
one that
doing
becomes
this.
Resident?
We're not in class for doing this.
We're doing this, man. We're making this happen.
Dude, it's what crazy.
I'm pretty friggin' mad.
You have no idea how wrong this sounds. Oh god.
She fucking reminds me of The Grudge. Die!
I love all the confetti like everywhere.
Another stupid zombie?
And it's gonna call Tails.
Just kicked him in the face.